Hey, I don't want that girl if she a flop. Nah, hit it from the back, she ain't on top. Nah, man, don't call my phone if it ain't guap. Nah, rockin' shit that hasn't even dropped. Nah, I'm a fly guy. I stay out of space like it's sci-fi. Baby, tell the truth, are you a ride or die? I just tell the truth, I never tell a lie.
Hi, welcome back to another video, guys. Today, this video is gonna be a fucking banger, man. I'm gonna tell you why. Cause I don't trust nobody driving my car. It smells like burn. But I don't trust nobody driving my car, or like at all. Like I don't trust a lot of basically anybody driving my cars. So today, I'm gonna be letting my girlfriend drive my car the whole day we're together. We're gonna do a couple things, go eat, this and that. But she's gonna be driving the whole time. And it's in Chicago, man. So it's like people be driving like reckless as fuck, you know? So I'm scared of that. So we're gonna be doing that. And I hope I don't regret it, cause like my windows are like tinted as fuck, man. Like, on camera you can't see it. Like on camera you can see everything perfect, but on person they're dark as fuck, man. Like you can't, like once it gets a little bit night, a little bit dark outside, like around 3 right now, like around 4, you can't see nothing. Legit, you can't see nothing. So I hope I don't regret this shit. I hope nothing bad happens while she's driving or whatever. I know she's gonna be careful and everything, but still. So she doesn't know that we're doing this video. She knows we're doing a video, but she doesn't know that I'm gonna let her drive the car for the whole time we're together. So I'm close by her house. Once I'm with her, I'll pick up the vlog, guys, and this shit gonna be a banger. So I hope it turns out good, and fucking smash a like, man. You ready? You ready?
Let's go.
You ready?
Get in the car, bro.
You ready? You ready?
I'll leave without you.
The door is open.
I don't care.
You're gonna hit that car right there.
No, I won't.
You ready?
I'll close it.
You ready?
Hurry up, bro.
Don't make me regret this. Oh, my baby. My baby.
Are you still recording? You drink My Little Pony stuff?
Yeah, I have. No, I was holding it. Shut up. Put it away.
Te convertiste, niña.
Man. Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo.
Really?
Santificado tu nombre.
You're so dumb.
Ah, shit. All right, let's go, man. Let's go. First impressions?
Shut up.
You nervous? I feel like the one more nervous here is me, and I have to go to the bathroom.
That ass.
Like, you driving around, but like I'm telling you, you get too close over here. Like, you gotta keep it straight. Like you're the one controlling the steering wheel.
Okay, Dad.
I have to go pee, and her driving is making me like.
Want me to go step on it?
Me peeing in my pants right now. So far you're doing good, but just don't get too close over here. Like just.
Literally, my leg is shaking.
Don't get nervous. Don't get nervous. Just keep the wheel straight. That's all you have to do. How you think you're doing so far?
I'm doing good. You're just over here.
I'm not. I'm just telling you. I'm nervous because, like I said, you get too close to over here, to the right side. How you think you did?
I did good, but you're over here.
No, because you know you messed up on that one.
Okay, I seen the car. I didn't know.
It don't matter if you see the car or not.
The car stayed. I was gonna go.
He had a break because you te le metiste. That's why.
Tú te me metiste.
No, you have to put a complete stop.
Okay.
All 4 wheels gotta stop. All right.
Look, fuck 12.
So far, I'll give you a 5 right now.
That
a
is
5.
A 5, nigga.
Yeah.
You're still alive.
You know how many times you put my car at risk?
I put you on risk too.
My car. You know how many times? You know how many times? You know how many times?
I put you on risk.
Hell no. I have to go pee. What you came to Target for?
Black. For hangers.
For
Stop.
what? For what?
Hangers. I'm over here like losing my voice and shit.
So we came to Target for the hangers because she hit my car, so we gotta hang the bumper with something.
You're so stupid. I'm gonna kill you. Should I buy these?
Black. Get the cheaper ones. It's just to fucking.
These are $1. That's what I'm asking. Should I take these? Those are $5.
Metal.
Those are
$7? Oh no, $4. What the fuck is this for $7?
They're design hangers.
Design
They
my
feel like
ass.
your necklace.
Y esto.
But I'm not paying attention.
We're fucking fat asses, man. So we're taking those, tapatio.
Yeah.
What else?
Timanita.
Oh shit, those are too hot.
Pussy.
It's too hot.
You eat the takis. Too hot. Tú,
We'll
que
take-
amaneces en el baño.
Llevamos, true, that's what I'm saying, too hot. Llevamos queso para que no piquen tanto. Nos llevamos rancheros, French onions,
Right?
takis
Queso
allá.
blanco.
A unas tostadas, mira, de una vez también.
What?
Unas,
I'm not about to eat some fucking... What is that called? Ceviche?
¿Qué tal allá va, pues?
Las que quieras.
Ahora la que tú quieras. You're the one paying. I already got mine.
Then you pay for those.
Hell no, 2 for 4. We gotta take advantage of that deal. I already got mine. Hurry up.
I already got my order at La Michoacana, so get ready. Stop fucking zooming me in. Which ones do you want? This.
Those?
Stop being a pussy. Come on, let's get drinks. For later. Stop it, Eve. Come here. So you wanted these? Or the other ones?
That's what it is. Ah man, that guy legit was there for like good amount of time knocking on the door.
His girl wouldn't let him in.
Míralos, está enojados. Where are you taking us today? Or right now?
To tacos.
Tacos? Fuck it, I'm down.
That way?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah. Turns so you know, remember that no
Jesus.
matter what.
Déjame manejar, por favor. Ah, pinche carro. Well, sorry, hon. You're gonna have to fucking wait because I'm not going any faster. Stupid asshole.
They're tailgating you? Don't go faster, you don't if you can't. Look at this guy trying to tailgate. Got your ass. Got your ass.
Dog!
Pa' allá, tu señalero.
Seriously?
Viene el carro allá. Look, the parking lot is empty. Like no cars. Like they knew you were coming. Like they somehow knew. Look, they're mostly parked over there.
Good. That means Leslie owns this bitch.
It
Let's
means
go get tacos.
they know how you drive, that you don't know how to drive. That's what he means.
Go suck a nut. Ya, ese ni sabe manejar y tiene un puto trailer.
Let's go eat tacos, tacos.
You're paying for them.
You're paying for them.
You're gonna be fucked up.
I'll let you drive my car and you still gonna make me pay for tacos? Wait, how are we gonna pay?
There's a UPS. There's a thing in there.
ATM?
Yeah.
I was about to say, I don't got cash either.
Oh my god. What did I drop?
These nuts.
Oh, what did I drop?
So I had 4 tacos.
Shut up.
You had 2, and you're still not done. Move your hand. And you're still not done, man. You're still not done. Me saca el dinero. Oh shit, I'm swimming in. Well, not like this. So guys,
like this.
I made a deal with my brother. I said if I learn how to dance by whenever he gets married this year, I'm gonna dress like this for his wedding. Hey, so you gotta teach me though, man.
You gotta let yourself.
I let myself, you know that.
No, you don't.
Aaron is gonna do this. He uses those too. I'm gonna be looking like that. No? Those are hamsters.
Those are guinea pigs. Look, that one's pink.
So they're called guinea pigs, and then once they get old, they're pigs.
No,
Actual
they're
pigs.
guinea pigs. I used to have one.
They're hamsters.
No, I want one.
You can't even take care of yourself, and you want a pig?
They're called guinea pigs.
You happy with what you got? Alright. So I'm the one driving now. Because your ass can't drive at night.
Yes, I can.
No,
You just don't
especially with those windows, you can't drive at night. Like, my windows be dark as fuck. Like,
Open.
chillax, damn.
10 minutes opening the damn door. Wow, we look.
Por haber sido tan fría, las heridas que me hiciste yo me las curo con saliva para verte no regreso. Porque ya cambié de casa, es más, te invito a mi fiesta. Porque ocupo una payasa.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video.
Still alive.
Thankfully.
I
Thank
don't
God.
even drive that bad.
No, you drive like a grandma. But, hold up.
You wanted me to go faster?
Overall, I'll give you, I don't know, cause that stop that you didn't make.
That doesn't. Oh my fucking god! Did I kill you on the street when I went to
Nigga,
Target?
you could have if I didn't tell you be careful.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna give you a 7.
Fuck you.
You too. I'm gonna give you a 7. Just cause I stopped. Cause you didn't look both ways. You know you didn't. I saw you. I saw
You
you.
give me a 7. I give myself a 9.
Go ahead. But I give you a 7. You didn't put a stop, and like you would get too close to the right side. Other than that, speed was good. Just the speed. It was good. So I'm gonna end the video right here, guys. I hope you did enjoy it.
I'll tap you when I'm ready.
What? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Who's the Apple Watch trying to tap?
I don't know.
Damn, okay.
It says I'll tap you when I'm ready. And it's loading.
Dirty as is.
No Siri connection.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit a thumbs up,
Siri.
subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the
Siri
next
trying to
video. Don't forget, at 200 subs, I'm doing a giveaway. So share the content, share the channel, and so let's hit those 200 subs, guys. I'll see you in the next video.